Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites: your workspace email, initial password, and access to a secure device. Open the workspace sign-in URL or mail. Google. Now, make sure you're in a supported browser. Enter your full email exactly, then press Next. Once done, type the initial password you received from your admin. I explain this so you avoid lockouts from typos or wrong domains. Those are the most common startup failures, and they waste time. After the password, you'll often see organization prompts or a forced password change. Follow them to finish registration. If two-step verification is required, choose an authenticator app or SMS. Authenticator apps are more secure. Then scan the QR or enter the code. Make sure to save backup codes somewhere safe. Next, review profile settings and accept workspace policies so services like Drive and Calendar activate correctly. These steps complete secure access. And finally, verify you can open Gmail, Drive, and Calendar. Allow a minute for sync. If single sign-on is used, sign out and sign back in to confirm session persistence. Make sure your recovery phone and email are set so you can reset passwords quickly. If something fails, like an incorrect password or two-step code, try account recovery first, then contact your workspace admin if recovery fails. One key tip: backup codes solve most access problems, so store.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.